How to use GoodRx for generic medications. First things first, launch the GoodRx application on your device or simply open any web browser of your choice, then head to the GoodRx website and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, you will find the search bar at the top. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, type the name of the drug. GoodRx will auto-suggest both the brand name and the generic name. Select the option you need, and then all you have to do is locate the brand versus generic toggle switch. You simply have to click on it and make sure that it is set to generic tab. This updates the system to pull up wholesale pricing contracts for the generic formulation rather than the expensive brand manufacturing contracts. Now configure the form, doses, and quantity, and then enter your zip code to scan the retail landscape in your immediate area. Present the codes to your pharmacist, and there you go. This is how you can use the GoodRx's generic medications feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.